Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Coffee and Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the Tonor Q9 microphone kit. It's a microphone kit that has everything you will need for a podcast, for a stream, for anything that has to do with recording audio. This is supposed to be the bomb, and it's $69 for an arm, a mic, the USB cable, a pop filter, and a mic holder for anti-shock resistance. Without further ado, let's get into this box, let's tear it apart and see what's in there. Once you plug the USB to the PC, it should recognize it right away. So if you go to your audio settings and open up your sound settings, under here, you can see that it is already selected for me. That's surprising, but yeah, it's one of the drop downs now. So if you select the Q9 one, that becomes your primary microphone. When it comes to OBS, you want to go to your audio settings over here under filter and go to properties. And right now I'm using the 5-fine mic, and you want to drop down and select the Q91 microphone. That's the name of the microphone. And I guess we already switched to it, huh? How does it sound? So right now I am talking the same distance. They're both in the same position. Obviously the Q9 is a little bit to the left of me because that's where the mount is going to come to. The microphone is right there. My keyboard is right here. And I'm going to say... Now I have no filters on this mic, no noise suppression, and let's test the background noise real quick. Let's take this off of the mic and test the audio then. The nice thing about this mic is that you can control the audio of the mic from here. You have a minus button and a plus button, and I'm pretty sure if you hold minus, it'll turn off the mic. Let's test that. That completely turned off the mic. If you hold the minus button for like a few seconds, it will turn off the mic. And now let's lower the volume and test that. That was the bottom of the barrel. Let's go all the way to the loudest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that looks really loud. All right, we're gonna be testing the peas, pizza, popcorn, potatoes, Saflachis. So overall, this mic is really dope. I'm really happy with the results here. I'm really happy with what you can buy for $69. You get a mount, you get a shock mount as well, you get a pop filter, you get a mic cover as well. I mean, it's a pretty nice kit for $69. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for supporting it. We will be reviewing more tech to come and more episodes of Coffee and Tech. I hope you have enjoyed them. Also, I stream on Twitch every weekday. I'll leave the link down below. I'll also leave the link for the mic if you liked it and you want to buy it from Amazon. No affiliation whatsoever. Thank you for watching. Bye!